Dear children, on page 13 you have learnt the singular form a, he, right? When the sentence begins with a, it ends with he. Now on page 14 you are going to learn the plural form. The word will change. Like, see, Abhyas 12 a, या a की मात्रा a means these. हैं, see, a dot. हैं, are, these are, okay, these are. ये हैं, these are. पढ़िए, खाली जगह में ठीक ठीक शब्द लिखिए. So read these words and fill in the blanks with the correct word. Okay. The first word is संतरे. स अम की मात्रा, त र ए की मात्रा, संतरे. संतरे means oranges. संतरा, orange. संतरे, oranges. Okay. अंडे. All these are in the plural form. अंडे. अंडे means eggs. See, more than one. Eggs. मुर्गियाँ. मुर्गियाँ. See here again the ref. मु, गी. एक की मात्रा, मुर्गी, याँ, मुर्गियाँ. Got it how to read? मुर्गियाँ. मुर्गियाँ means hens. खिलौने. खिलौने. खिलौने means dolls. खिलौने, dolls. रुपये. रुपये. रुपये means notes. Currency notes. Not the notebook notes. Currency notes. रुपये. Two notes are there, no? रुपया, रुपये. पैसे. पैसे, money, but here is given coins. So, coins. पैसे. बोतलें. बोतलें. See, the pronunciation will change here because there is a dot here. लें. Nostril sound you should get. लें. बोतलें. बोतलें. बोतलें means bottles. Okay, bottles. किताबें. A and the dot. किताबें. Plural form. Books. किताबें, books. So remember this. When the sentence begins with a and it should end with he with the dot. Now you know the difference between he and he. Without the dot it is singular. Okay. With the dot it is plural. These are oranges. ये संतरे हैं. ये क्या हैं? ये संतरे हैं. ये means these. This is the singular. These are plural. Okay. ये means these. These are oranges. ये संतरे हैं. ये अंडे हैं. अंडे हैं. You can't write ये अंडा है. Wrong sentence. Okay. ये अंडे हैं. अंडा singular, अंडे plural. Okay. By the way, we use the word this and these for the nearest object. To point out the nearest object, we say this is, these are. Okay. This is for the singular form. These are for the plural form. In Hindi, ye hai in the previous page you learned, on the page number 13 you learned, and here ye hai. Ye is this, a is these. Ye hai. When it begins with a, it should end with hai only. This is very important, children. Please carefully listen to the explanation first. As soon as you see the video, some of you just you will write, you will copy the words as it is and leave it. But you are not learning what I am teaching, what the explanation is given. You are not following that. So please Okay, first listen to the explanation, then you write the word. So I'm explaining once again the word A. A is for plural. Plural means more than one. These are oranges. A santre hai. This dot makes shows that whether it is a singular or the plural. If it is a dot, it is a plural form. Without the dot, it is a singular form. Okay, understood? For singular, you have to write only hey. Here you are written, no? Page number, see, here, hey. Is there a dot? There's no dot here, right? The word also year and her. Year, hey, singular form. Year, gadi hai, singular form. Okay. In the plural form, it change into a. Year will change into a. A santre hai. These are oranges. These are eggs. ये अंडे हैं. ये मुर्गियां हैं. मुर्गियां. ये खिलौने हैं. ये रुपये हैं. ये पैसे हैं. ये बोतलें हैं. ये किताबें हैं. ओके, नाउ हियर बिलो बहुवचन का एक वचन कीजिए. We have given the plural form bahuvachan. Bahuvachan means plural form. You have to write the singular form. Ekvachan you have to write. Okay. If it is given plural, you have to write singular. If it is given singular, you have to write plural. Understood, children? See, first one is done for you. For santre, oranges. What singular is orange, santra. Okay. Ande, anda. मुर्गियाँ, मुर्गी. बोतलें, बोतल. ओके. रुपये, रुपया. पैसे, पैसा. खिलौने, खिलौना. किताबें, किताब. Got it, children? Now all these page number, all the 3 pages. Okay. 12, 13 and 14. All this you have to write in the reader book itself. Okay. Those are not collected the books, please go and collect today from school and write it. And for your FA2 test, you have to learn the numbers from 1 to 20 and these 2 pages, page 13 and 14, and also the meanings. I have given the meanings, right? These meanings. Sorry, not this. I given ghadi the meaning. See, these meanings. Okay, numbers, meanings, and page 13 and 14 for your FA2 test. Okay, children. Thank you. Take care. We'll meet you in the next class.